In the earlier videos, we saw how to connect Google Drive and SharePoint. Now, let's take a look at how to connect an external Salesforce org, a completely separate org that you can link to your current Salesforce. To get started, create a new storage profile and select Salesforce as the storage type. Then, provide a name, label, and description. Make sure the active checkbox is enabled so the profile can be used. Next, go to the Configuration tab and click on Connection. This will redirect you to the Salesforce login page. Enter your credentials, and once authentication is complete, you will be redirected back to your current Salesforce org. Click Next and configure additional details such as maximum file size, allowed file extensions, root path, versioning preferences, and whether this should be the default storage profile. Finally, click Save. In this way, you can connect an external Salesforce org to your current Salesforce using docuWeaver.